As a Disney mom, I'll be the first to tell you that souvenirs aren't just for kids. On our recent family trip to Walt Disney World, I found a custom hat that you can make in Frontierland, but it's so much more than a souvenir, it's an experience. We've gone west, and by west I mean Frontierland inside the Magic Kingdom, where you can create a custom hat. Now this unique souvenir is designed specifically to what you want, so you can leave feeling like a cowboy or cowgirl when you're in Frontierland. Let's go check it out. In the park, you want to head to Frontierland and find chapel hats to the left of Pecos Bill, kind of across from Tiana's Bayou Adventure ride. There are actually several chapel hat locations on Walt Disney World property, and one of them is at Disney Springs, but this one in Frontierland is really kind of special. It's only been open for a few months, and you wouldn't expect to find a hat shop inside a theme park, but when you walk in, you're blown away by the different styles of hats, everything from trucker hats to cowboy hats and even berets. But you're gonna find a custom hat that's just for you. And to get started, my tip is to ask a cast member to walk you through the entire experience, and that's exactly what we did. How we create our own hat.
All right, so basically we have the shells, or what we call bodies of the hats down here. And so what you do, you just pick one of those styles. They're adjustment, so you can actually change it to a bigger size, smaller size, whatever you want. And then you just start sprucing it up. So you have your pins that are magnetic, so you're not stabbing in hat. We have feathers, bands. We have playing cards here that we can really dress up if you wanted to. Different hat bands, you know, whatever you want, we can pretty much do to the hat.
And so is everything a unique price, and it each is added up at the end?
Pretty much, yeah.
Sounds good.
So to kind of get really in the nitty gritty, you're looking at the shells being around like $74, and then everything else, you're in the gap of like $6 all the way to like $40. And then that's pretty much it. Now the reason, like on our high-end items, would be the 1445s, and you probably have seen this around, you know, on the web. It's the castle headband, and that all of those are actually handmade, and so they're themed for the park. So of course you have the castle, you have Tiana's, you have pirates, and then you have Haunted Mansion. You also have Princess Jasmine on the side here.
Very cool.
Appreciate it, Chris.
Thank you for that.
There is one more last thing. This right here is you can actually put your name on your hat if you wanted to.
Oh, cool. I love that.
That's really neat, huh?
Florida, that's cute. Thank you. So the different accessories that you can add to your hat will really reflect your personality. If you like feathers, you can stick a feather in it. These are the custom brooches. You've got a Tiana, Princess Tiana theme. You've got a castle. You've got the Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean. So you're really making everything, all the specs of your hat, to really speak about what your favorite part of Disney is, or maybe you just want something that's really customized and stylish. Alright, so we are experimenting with all the different options. I'm looking at a pink hat, and they've got these elastic bands you can put around. You can add your own name, which is really, really cute, with like a piece of leather. But we are looking at one of the more custom accessories that you can add, which has a castle brooch on the side. So we're going to see what that looks like, and hopefully we can come up with a hat that's worthy enough to take home.
I think the double band actually makes it pop a lot more than just a single band itself.
I think that is the way to go.
So how are we feeling, bud?
I think that's my hat. I think that's it. I like the double band. See it? Thank you. Oh, that's so pretty with the brooch.
You're gonna have them shape it?
Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's what we're going to take home. That one's really cute. Well, it's not just me who's partaking today. My 8-year-old son, did you find yourself a hat?
Yeah.
He found a hat as well. And this is a little fedora style that we are going to customize with a pirate pin because he loves Pirates of the Caribbean.
Is that gonna be an ultimate souvenir for you, buddy?
Yeah.
You like your custom hat like Mom?
Uh-huh.
It's a little
big, but he's gonna grow into it.
All right, let's see you put it on. What do we think, kiddo?
I think it's really cool.
Right on, and even cooler with your customization.
Like about right here.
Perfect.
Is that your perfect look, kid? What do you say to Mr. Chris?
Thank you, Mr. Fitz.
You're welcome, my man.
I love that this is a souvenir you're actually going to use at home, and it really speaks to your personality or your love of Disney when you customize it. Now, of course, I added a lot of personality and bling to my hat, and in total it was over $150, but you want to ask about Disney Vacation Club discounts and annual pass holder discounts when you're creating your hat. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for more family travel content, and you can find me on my blog at savvymamalifestyle.com. Thanks for watching.